Hello. In this video, we will show you how to replace the spin-on dial unit on your shoes. The safety jogger are equipped with spin-on TLS. It doesn't require any special tools other than a small flathead screwdriver and set of pliers. First, we will show how to remove the damaged dial. 1. Pull the dial up and place the driver in position, and lift it outward to separate the dial from the shoe. 2. Cut the end of the wire with plier. 3. Insert both wire ends into the dial. 4. Insert both ends of wire into the reel in the direction of the arrow. 5. Tie the end of the wire. 6. Trim the tail of the knot to 2 to 4 millimeters. 7. Pull the wire and secure it firmly into a hole on the reel. 8. Perform the same operation on the other wire. Nine. Pull the wire to make it straight and push the reel into the dial until it clicks. Insert the larger hook of the dial into the matching larger hole on the shoe base, then press down until it clicks to complete the assembly. 11. Rotate the dial to ensure it is properly assembled.